Ria was sitting in her orchard near her house. She was a bit upset as she could not revise her lesson of future continuous tense. She had to appear for a class test tomorrow. Just then she saw a school bus coming towards her house. Suddenly, the bus stopped. Teacher and students came out of the bus.
Ma'am, the rear tire of the bus is punctured. It will take some time to repair it and restart our journey.
Okay, we will wait. Come on, kids. You can play for some time, but don't pluck any flowers and fruits from the orchard. The kids started playing. The teacher looked around. She saw a girl sitting under a mango tree in upset mood. She went close to her. Hi, who are you and why are you so sad?
My name is Ria. I could not revise my lesson of future continuous tense, and I have to appear for test tomorrow. I don't know what to do.
Oh ho, don't worry, Ria. Now you can smile. I will help you out in this.
Really? Let me bring my pencil and notebook.
Ria ran towards her house and came back with pencil and notebook. Let's start, Ria. Future continuous tense tells about the action which will be in progress at a given point of time. Look at this example. Ria will be appearing in school test tomorrow. Ria started noting down the points.
Yes, ma'am. Now I know what a future continuous tense is.
Good. You must know that while writing future continuous tense, we should use will or shall be and root form of verb ending with ing. The form of your sentence will be subject plus will or shall be plus root verb plus ing.
Ma'am, let me show you one more example. My mother will be teaching me tomorrow.
That's right, Ria. But you should also know that you can form negative sentences by using not between will or shall and be. See this example. I will not be drinking milk in the morning.
Got it, ma'am. Now I can answer all the questions in the test tomorrow.
Just then the bus driver came and informed that the group can continue the onward journey. Okay, Ria, now I have to go. Best wishes for your test.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you so much for helping me out.
Ria is looking happy now.